song called Master Locksmith.
Where is the key to all our problems? Where are the answers found? How do we get from here to heaven? How do we turn around? Somehow the door just can't be opened until the key is found. There is a locksmith up in heaven. He'll send the key right down.
He has the
Answer to
every problem. He has the
power to make you free.
knock on the door, it shall be open. Oh yes, at least the door was open for me.
There in the jail was Paul and Silas, with chains all wrapped around. They had been telling of the gospel, preaching all over town. But as the earth began to tremble, they were no longer bound. They knew a locksmith up in heaven. He sent a key right down.
He has the
Answer to
every problem. He has the
power